Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are gonna visit a waterfalls that's near to Bangalore. And I'm sure that you will be thinking where this place is located. And if you think I'm gonna tell where the place is located, and you're wrong. I'm gonna tell the name of this place and where it is located at the end of the video. So make sure you watch this video till the end. This was a video taken when we are climbing the mountain to reach the waterfalls. Oh my god, what a greenery is this! Wow. Guys, even I think you also feel how greenery it is. Playing with me and my father. My father was not allowing to go front as it was dangerous and even so slippery. It was a very funful moment for us, and I was not even scared of it to walk around. It was so deep, and because of that, my mother and her friends were fearing to go front. Guys, I felt so sad while coming back as it was so enjoyable up while going climbing, talking, playing in water. So enjoyable. And I noticed one more thing. It was so difficult to climb down as more than climbing up. My parents were warning me to be careful. Amo, be careful and walk slowly. There were so many stones, and as you know, you can see in front of us so many trees and a small way to walk. And it was so difficult to walk also. So we found it difficult to walk.
ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಬನ್ನಿ ಆರಾಮಾಗಿ ಕಲ್ಲಿದೆ ನೋಡ್ಕೊಂಡು ಕೆಳಗಡೆ ಇಡು
We came down after a long journey and we were tired, so we sat in a place and we ate some snacks. And also we took some pics as it was so green all around. And it is a Tottikalu Falls located near to Banagatta Zoo. Bye.